Yes, my original plan was to use this in the bathroom, but as you could see earlier in this short video that I edited, it does not fit. It fits in the bathroom, but doesn't leave any room for anything else. So I can place my curling iron, tissue, extra stuff that I can't store in the bathroom. And I don't like to place this stuff under the sink in case the sink ever does leak. And then my towels are up in there. This is an excellent idea to put in your bedroom if you want some extra storage, and if you have a farmhouse or a barn or a country theme, a child's bedroom to hide away their toys if they have a farmhouse theme. This is supposed to go outside, but the cedar shanks are very thin and it would not last in our Michigan wintry and rainy seasons. So if it goes outside, it has to go under a covered porch or place it in the garage. But this was inside. This was something I wanted for my towels and washcloths and stuff, but it didn't work out. So I'm leaving it here for now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is called Legacy's Little Luxuries. And if I upload any DIYs, I upload them to TikTok, and I also upload them to YouTube. This is Miss Jones, signing off.